everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're out here again in the Charleston yard at Copart. Exciting news, the Copart Rebuild Challenge is live and going on right now. You can enter your submissions at copart.com/rebuild. From thousands and thousands of cars that are playing daily, there's so many selections. I mean, we've rebuilt a Viper before, that thing was pretty awesome. The before and after was pretty crazy. Bronco rolled over 5-6 times, so we've done some epic builds for sure. Hellcat, wow, yeah, all these things that we got from Copart. We got it off, from saving from going to the junkyard, rebuilding it, and making a beautiful vehicle. All right, guys, so let's get the word out there and tell everybody, hashtag Rebuild Challenge 23. Now is the time, make sure you enter. And all you have to do is be a member at Copart, and right now we have Nico20 as a promo code. You can save 20% off, so don't wait, don't miss your chance to save that discount. Go on Copart, become a member, and send in your application for the Rebuild Challenge.